Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've done a collaboration with Courtney Creates. I have done her makeup, so stay tuned for that. But over on her channel will be another video of how she has done this look on me. If you would like to go and check that out, I will leave all the links down in the description bar for you. So do go and click on those links and check out her video too. She is obviously a lot more talented than me in this. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to start off with your brows. I've actually never done someone's makeup before. It's a thing to say once you're doing someone's makeup.
It's alright. It's good practice. No, when I first done someone's makeup I was well scared. I had like a prom makeup and it was my first ever like proper makeup that I had to do on someone, and I was like, oh my god, like I'm so scared. And the girl loved it, so I was like, okay, as long as she's happy.
Person though.
I know. Like, so Shauna used the Jeffery brow palette in the shade 0 to dark brunette, and she's going to be using the, is it 0.5 or is it 1?
0.5.
0.5 shade in the P. Louise base on my eyelids. That's the one thing I always forget to do. Say what I've used.
Same. I just end up having to say that halfway through the I'm like, right, for whatever I've not said, I'm going to put it in the description box below. Because I always forget like at least one thing in my videos. I'm so excited about you starting YouTube though.
I know, I'm so excited as well.
It's actually going to be really fun. You just need to throw yourself into it though. Because it's like me, because I was nervous, I waited 3 years. Like, there was no point, and now I wish I started then.
I feel like when I do a video, I think I'll like get used to it.
Yeah, you will. Once you've done one, you're just like, if you're like me anyway, you just like want to do like 10,000 more. That'll be good for the video. Yeah.
Yeah.
With some colours you can go the same, can't you really? But like some colours, you have to be careful. So
she's using the full spectrum palette from Decay, and she has used, oh hello, it's called Calavera, and it's the yellow shade there. And she's using the Bon Voyage palette from Sample Beauty, and she's using the shade here, I don't actually know what it's called, but I dug my fingernail in it, not fun. Nice red, but I've left it at home.
That's alright, that's looking alright.
It's the red shade in the NYX Ultimate Brights palette as well.
I'm mixing up my blues. Yeah, that's a bit better.
I've had quite a few like paid as well. It's alright, it's there to be used.
Right, I'm probably gonna flop this. I can already tell.
Feels like a little tongue look in your eyelid.
It's nice, isn't it? This light makes me boil.
It's so hot under the light, isn't it?
Right, so this eye looks a lot better than the other one. Already.
I don't want to laugh and crease it.
That's alright, I do weird shit like that all the time. Make sure you add that in as well.
Yo, like
on your YouTube. It's best to be like known for like different than trying to be the same.
I need to yawn again, oh my god. Just do a whole video of me yawning like.
Sometimes I'm like, Oh, what do I say? A lot. I can't remember now.
I used to say like a lot. Like.
Yeah, I say like a lot. I say something else though.
I don't want to be like all. I feel like I'm all in the camera's grill. I feel like I'm just.
So I'll do the red here then.
With me, it's kind of like
a mask.
Yeah, you don't like if you don't love me or you don't like me, then yeah, all right.
Yeah.
I don't need you anyway.
Am I hurting you with this brush?
No. Oh, no, I'm joking. So you might have to just like warm my face up with bronzer.
Huh?
So you might have to just warm my face up
I'll
with
do
bronzer.
that after anyway.
I haven't used a beauty blender in so long.
I'm so squidgy though. Like the whole face up.
What one is it?
The black one. I don't know. I don't know.
So I mean, it makes me look so white. Then I tend to warm my face up though. Like
yeah, it's better as well because sometimes I find with lighter shades, with foundation and that, I don't know, the lighter shades feel like better than the other shades, if you know what I mean. Like they work out better as well.
Okay. What was that, Maybelline?
Yeah, I love this concealer, but then
the eraser, is it called the eraser?
Yeah, I kind of need another one now. I don't really like this flipping spongy thing anymore though. Oh wait, hang on.
I look like I'm in The Lion King.
Wait. That's it.
Ooh, got a touch now.
You actually do look like you're in Lion King.
Do you ever like bake under your eyes and that?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that with you.
I find every time I try to do it, nothing comes out. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know when you see some people and they put so much product on?
Yeah.
I can never do it.
What do you mean?
Like, you know when they use like beauty blenders? And they
go
like that?
Yeah, same.
And it just don't come out. It don't
same. I literally, I don't know, like even when I like, because sometimes I'll pour it onto like the back of a palette.
And I do that and it just all... And I'm like, do I need it down there?
And like, how the hell do these people do it? Like, pick it up and just drop it on their face.
I'm actually sad that it's not sunny anymore.
Are you? I'm actually quite happy for a minute.
I love the sun, but then it's annoying to sleep at night.
Like, I love summer, but then recently, yeah, I've wanted it to be like cool a few days, but then I don't really want it to go back to like winter. Stuff like that. I hate winter.
See, I do, but I love the snow.
I like the whole Christmas vibe.
Yeah.
But that's about it. When like there's a palette and there's... No, it's alright. You look like he was going to be...
mischievous.
Yeah. Yeah, is that it? I'm not going to be good at this. Alright, that turned out a bit awkward.
Oh wow! Like, I can never do it right, ever.
Same, you know, I don't know why it's like...
I think it just hates me, like, it's like, no, not feeling it today. Do you ever bake, like, under your contour as well?
What, under the...
So, like, under here?
Yeah, like a line. Yeah, I used to do that. I don't really now. Do you want me to do it to you?
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna blend this out as well, by the way, so... I always do my like way dark.
Do you know what? I don't really contour my nose. I'm just like, okay, I got a big nose, end off.
I do now. I didn't really used to, because I hate my nose, man. I just get a bit obsessed with it now. Alright, maybe I shouldn't have used that one. It's going to take a little while. do this with tweezers. I've never done it with tweezers, even on my own eye.
Yeah, I don't do it. I sometimes do it with tweezers, sometimes don't. Look at it! Oh
my dear.
It's like a rainstorm. Wow, that's mad. Your mum's not. She's not gonna be happy.
She's in her car.
Safe to say my garden will be green.
I probably ruin all man.
I feel it's because obviously he's my favourite artist.
Yeah, same.
But then I waited so long to see him. Like I saw him back in 2011.
Yeah.
So then that's 7 years ago. Do you know what I mean? So then I was like, oh my god! And then they come out on stage because like they were filming him coming out onto stage, and I was like, oh my god, Cameron! I get so crazy about it. And he comes on stage and I was like, ah! I just started screaming, but I was like, oh! I just started crying. And Cam was like, are you okay, Beth? And I was like, yeah. I feel my lips are really dry.
That It's not easy. Everyone thinks it is. I thought it was before. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my look I created. Please go ahead and check out Courtney Creates page so you can check out her look that she's created on me, which I am wearing now. But yeah, please give this video a big thumbs up and press subscribe. And go and subscribe to her. Yeah. Bye.
Oh, bye.